Hi, I'm Charles for Perfect Picture Lights. Every day we get calls about light bulbs. These are two T10 light bulbs. They go in traditional picture lights that have an incandescent fixture, you know, the kind that you screw the light bulb into. So the two types, one is an incandescent. It's the old style light bulb that we are all used to. It gets somewhat hot and it draws 25 watts of power. This is the new LED version. It stays pretty cool. It only draws 4 watts of power. This picture light has the LED bulb on one side and the incandescent bulb on the other. And as you can see, they both put out the same warm color of light, 2700 Kelvin, which is the perfect color for illuminating artwork. This one is rated for around 1,000 hours of life. This one is rated for 15,000 hours, which is something on the order of almost 14 years, 3 hours a day. They both put out 350 lumens, and well, you make your choice. Either buy a lot of these or one of these for a really long time. If you want to get them, go to our website, which is www.perfectpicturelights.com, or give us a call, 800-792-4457.